If you hear a voice within you say you can't paint, then by all means paint and the voice will be silenced. Vincent van Gogh. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new vocabulary, a new word which can enrich your spoken English. The new word we are going to discuss today is dexterously. Dexterously. Pronunciation for this word is dexterously. 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 Dexterously is an adverb. As you all know, adverb is a word which qualifies a verb. It describes a verb. Adverb gives extra information about verb. I hope you all know what is a verb. Verb is an action word. So, adverb describes the verb. It gives extra information. So, now we are going to see the meaning of this word dexterously. In a way that shows the ability to perform a difficult action quickly and skillfully with the hands. If you perform an action quickly and skillfully with your hands, it is said to be dexterously. You are doing the action dexterously. Or the ability to think quickly and effectively. So, the ability to think quickly and effectively, or the ability to perform a difficult action quickly and skillfully with your hands, or said to be dexterously. Dexterously. In other words, we can say in a way that shows skill, especially with your hands. If you show your skill with your hands, it is said to be dexterously. Hope you have learned the meaning of the word dexterously. Now we are going to see the synonyms. Synonyms means same meaning words. These are skillfully. Dexterously means skillfully or adeptly or expertly. If you are doing something skillfully or adeptly or expertly, it is said to be dexterously. So, skillfully, adeptly and expertly are the synonyms for the word dexterously. And here we are going to see the antonyms, opposite words, opposite meanings of dexterously. The opposites for dexterously are inexpertly, unskilled, inept, unable. These are the words which have the opposite meaning of dexterously. Dexterously means skillfully, but the opposite for dexterously are inexpert, unskilled, inept, unable. So far we have learnt the pronunciation, meaning, synonyms and antonyms of the word dexterously. We are moving on to the usage of the word. How can you use dexterously in your sentence? Look at this example. Reema's right hand texted dexterously on her mobile phone. It means Reema's right hand skillfully texted. Reema's right hand quickly and skillfully texted on her mobile phone. Next example. Indian Home Minister dexterously negotiated an end to the crisis. It means the Home Minister of India cleverly and skillfully negotiated an end to the problem. So far in this class, we have discussed the pronunciation, meaning, synonyms, antonyms and the usage of the word dexterously. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.